Hello and welcome to Ajayasthro Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's segment, we turn our focus to the Indian soybean market, where recent developments have caught the attention of traders and analysts alike. As of August 29, the market is experiencing a significant drop in soybean arrivals, even as plant rates across the country have remained unchanged, signaling a potential shift in market dynamics. Let's delve into the details. The total soybean arrivals across India have reached around 105,000 bags. Among the key contributors, Madhya Pradesh, the nation's leading soybean producing state, has brought in approximately 40,000 bags. Maharashtra, another major player in the soybean market, reported a substantial 50,000 bags, highlighting its critical role in the supply chain. Rajasthan, while smaller in comparison, added 8,000 bags, with other states collectively accounting for 7,000 bags. As we explore the price landscape, we observe that the variations across different regions reflect the complexities of the market. In Madhya Pradesh, soybean prices have been recorded between 4,350 rupees and 4,525 rupees per quintal, a range that reflects both the region's production capacity and market demand. Over in Maharashtra, the price range fluctuates between 4,250 rupees and 4,400 rupees per quintal, indicating regional differences that are often driven by local supply and demand factors. Rajasthan, another important region, sees prices hovering between 4,300 rupees and 4,400 rupees per quintal, adding to the overall picture of a diverse and dynamic market. Turning our attention to plant prices, the situation becomes even more intriguing. In Madhya Pradesh, plant prices have remained steady, ranging between 4,525 rupees and 4,600 rupees per quintal. This stability is mirrored in Maharashtra, where plant prices also fluctuate within the same range, between 4,525 rupees and 4,600 rupees per quintal. Rajasthan, not far behind, has recorded plant prices in the range of 4,500 rupees to 4,525 rupees per quintal. What stands out in this scenario is the steady nature of plant rates despite the noticeable decline in arrivals. This suggests that the market may be bracing for potential supply constraints in the coming weeks, a development that could significantly impact market sentiments and trading activities. As we continue to monitor these evolving conditions, it will be crucial to keep an eye on how the market reacts to these changes. Will the declining arrivals lead to higher prices, or will the steady plant rates hold the market in check? Only time will tell. For more insights and in-depth analysis on the soybean market and other key commodities, stay tuned to Ajayasthro Guru. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable updates.